Hey there, fellow adventurers. I'm Jeremy, your guide from Everything RVs and More. Today, we're diving deep into the world of RV safety, where we'll explore the ins and outs of secure travels. Number 1. Pre-trip inspection. Our journey starts with mastering the art of pre-trip inspection. It's not just checking the tires and brakes, it's about ensuring your RV is a well-oiled machine ready for the open road. Let's break down the essentials to roll out confidently. A. Tires. Check tire pressure. Ensure all tires are properly inflated according to the manufacturer's specifications. Underinflated or overinflated tires can affect stability and fuel efficiency. Inspect tread depth. A worn-out tread can compromise traction. Use a tread depth gauge to ensure your tires are road-worthy. B. Brakes. Brake fluid. Check the brake fluid level and ensure there are no signs of leaks. Adequate brake fluid is crucial for effective braking. Brake pads and rotors. Inspect brake pads and rotors for wear and tear. Replace any components showing signs of damage. C. Lights and signals. Exterior lights. Confirm that all exterior lights, including headlights, brake lights, and turn signals, are functioning properly. Interior lights. Check interior lights, ensuring they work for both safety and convenience during nighttime stops. D. Fluid levels. Engine oil. Verify the engine oil level and top up if necessary. Regular oil changes are essential for the health of your RV's engine. Transmission fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. Check and top up these fluids as needed for optimal performance. E. Battery. Inspect and clean terminals. Examine the battery terminals for corrosion. Clean them and ensure a secure connection. Consider the age of the battery and replace if necessary. F. Belts and hoses. Check for wear. Inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage. Replace any components showing wear to prevent breakdowns on the road. G. RV systems. Appliances. Test all appliances inside the RV, including the stove, refrigerator, and water heater, to ensure they are in working order. If applicable, operate slide-outs and awnings to confirm they extend and retract smoothly. H. Safety equipment. Fire extinguisher. Ensure the fire extinguisher is present, easily accessible, and within its expiration date. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Test these detectors to guarantee they are functional and have fresh batteries. Number 2. Safe driving practices. Driving an RV is a skill, and mastering it is crucial for a safe journey. From maintaining a safe following distance to navigating the unique dimensions of your RV, we'll explore the practices that make you a pro on the road. A. Safe following distance. Maintain a cushion. Keep a safe following distance between your RV and the vehicle in front of you. A greater cushion allows for better reaction time. B. RV dimensions awareness. Know your dimensions, understand the height, width, and length of your RV. This awareness is crucial when navigating through tight spaces, bridges, and tunnels. C. Scheduled breaks. Plan regular stops. Long drives can be exhausting. Schedule breaks to rest, stretch, and ensure you remain alert and focused. D. Weight distribution. Balance the load. Properly distribute weight inside the RV to maintain stability. An unbalanced load can affect handling and increase the risk of accidents. E. Anticipate turns. Wide turns. RVs require wider turns. Anticipate turns in advance to avoid sharp maneuvers that can be challenging with a larger vehicle. F. Defensive driving. Stay vigilant. Adopt a defensive driving mindset. Be aware of your surroundings, anticipate potential hazards, and stay proactive on the road. G. Weather preparedness. Check weather conditions. Stay informed about upcoming weather conditions. Adjust your travel plans accordingly to avoid adverse weather. H. Communication. CB radio or walkie-talkies. Invest in communication tools to stay connected with fellow travelers in your convoy. This enhances coordination and safety. Number 3. Security measures. As we roll into different destinations, security becomes our co-pilot. Locks, awareness, and a few savvy tips can make your RV a fortress on wheels. Join me as we delve into the security measures that'll have you traveling like a seasoned pro. A. Quality locks. Invest in sturdy locks. Secure your RV with high-quality locks for doors, windows, and storage compartments. A visible deterrent can discourage potential intruders. B. Awareness at campgrounds. Scout your surroundings. Before settling in, assess the campground security. Choose well-lit areas, and be mindful of your neighbors. A vigilant eye goes a long way. C. Savvy tips. Window coverings. Use window coverings for privacy. This not only adds a layer of security but also enhances your overall camping experience. Number 4. Emergency preparedness. Even the most well-planned journeys can encounter bumps. That's why being prepared for emergencies is non-negotiable. We'll go through what every RV enthusiast should have in their emergency toolkit, ensuring you're ready for any detour. A. Basic first aid supplies. Bandages, gauze, and antiseptic wipes address minor cuts and injuries promptly. Pain relievers and medications include common over-the-counter medications for pain and allergies. B. Tools and equipment. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife, a versatile tool for various repairs and tasks. Duct tape, a quick fix for unexpected issues. C. Communication and lighting. Flashlights and batteries illuminate dark spaces during emergencies. Portable charger, keep communication devices charged. D. Emergency vehicle kit. Reflective triangles enhance visibility in case of breakdowns. Jumper cables ensure a quick jump start if the battery fails. East. Navigational aids. Road atlas or GPS navigate alternative routes if technology fails. F. Extra supplies. Blankets and warm clothing stay warm during unexpected stops. Non-perishable snacks ensure a backup food supply. Number 5. Technology and gadgets. Now, let's embrace the tech side of our RV adventure. Like a modern-day explorer, having the right gadgets can elevate your safety game. Join me as we explore the technological wonders that make RV travel not just secure but downright cool. A. GPS systems for RVers. RV-specific navigation. Invest in GPS systems tailored for RV travel. These devices consider your RV's size, weight, and height, offering optimized routes and avoiding potential obstacles. B. Backup cameras. Enhanced visibility. Install backup cameras to navigate tight spots with ease. These cameras provide a clear view of your surroundings, enhancing safety during parking and maneuvers. C. Tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS. Real-time tire monitoring, TPMS keeps you informed about tire pressure, preventing potential blowouts. It's a proactive measure to ensure the health of your tires. D. RV security systems, smart security solutions. Explore modern security systems designed for RVs. These may include motion sensors, alarms, and even smart home integration for remote monitoring. E. Mobile connectivity. Cell signal boosters ensure a reliable connection on the road with signal boosters. These devices amplify mobile signals, especially in remote areas. F. Portable power stations, off-grid power. Consider portable power stations. They provide an independent power source, ideal for off-grid camping and ensuring a continuous power supply. G. Weather apps and stations. Real-time weather updates. Stay ahead of changing weather conditions with dedicated weather apps or portable weather stations. This technology allows you to plan your route accordingly. These technological wonders not only enhance the safety of your RV journey but also add a touch of modern convenience. From smart navigation to advanced security and off-grid power solutions, these technologies elevate your travel experience to new heights. And there you have it, fellow travelers. Rolling safely isn't just a skill, it's an art, and you're now equipped with the brushstrokes to master it. If these tips resonated with you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more RV adventures, and share your own safety hacks in the comments below. Until next time, keep rolling safely like the pros do. Happy trails from Everything RVs and More.